We're going to take a look at the law of large numbers as it applies to the multiplication theorem of probability. We're going to imagine that we sent a survey out to students at a college, and it had two questions on it. One asked for the students' college year, first, second, third, or fourth. And the second question was about their college major, of which include like business or health professions and so on. College year and college major, we're going to assume are independent of each other, which is just to say that if you know someone's college year, that wouldn't help you at all in predicting their major, and vice versa. Not correlated, not related at all. In particular, we want to know what's the probability of getting someone who is a first-year college student and also a business major, right? So if it was just the probability of a person being a first-year college student, it's already shown here as 0.29. And if we're interested in just the probability of picking someone who's a business major, that's shown here as 0.19. But to get someone who randomly selected is both a first-year college student and a business major, what is that? Well, you multiply those two probabilities. So we would say 0.29 times 0.19. And we get 0.0551. And down here along the bottom, you can see this is for theoretical. For a first-year student, 0.29. For a business major, 0.19. And the probability that we randomly pick someone who is both a first-year student and business major, that's 0.29 times 0.19, getting us 0.0551. So that's the expected value. So we go ahead and let's say we randomly pick 10 people and we record what we observe. And in this case, we picked some people who were first-year students. We picked some people who were business students, but there was no intersection of those two. All the business majors happen to be something other than a first-year student, and all our first-year students happen to be major other than business. And that can happen in real life, right? There is a probability, and then there's real life. So we picked 10 people, not so good yet. So click this Roll Now button here. We got another 10 and another 10. And as we continue to do this, we just have somewhere around like 80 people that we surveyed. And the observed proportion of people that we picked who are both first year and business is, let's see, this is our observed, came out to be 0.0125. That's a lot less than the 0.0551. So let's go ahead and increase how many people we pick at a time. So we'll pick them at 1,000 at a time. And so now when we do this, there we go. You can see that we're getting ever closer, our observations matching the probability. And that, again, is the law of large numbers, that over time, your observations will match the actual probability. So our current proportion for both the person being first year and business that we observed is 0.0586, and the expected was 0.0551. Pretty good, pretty close to being right on the nose.